Welcome. Today we are going to calculate the squares from 91 to 99. Now, as we all know, these numbers are nearby 100, so we will say that the base is 100, as of course these numbers are nearby hundreds. And one more thing, that the squares from 91 to 99 will give a 4-digit number, so we have to keep that in mind while calculating the squares from 91 to 99. Now let's say we have to calculate 99 square. Alright, okay, let's see how we are going to calculate. Now compare 99 with the base 100. So 99 is 1 less than 100, so we'll write -1 here. And as we know, it's going to be, the square is going to be a 4-digit number, so these are the first 2-digit number, right, for 99 square. And how we are going to calculate this is the number itself, 99 minus 1. Okay, so 99 minus 1, which is going to be 98. All right, next, the remaining last two digit is what? Is nothing but, see, look at the -1. So we are going to calculate 1 square. 1 square is 1. Now, since I have said the number is going to be a 4-digit number, so we have to give 0 so it will be a 01. So the answer is 9801. all right, now I hope you all understand up to this part. So we will be continuing with more exercises to keep you familiar with how the process goes. Okay, so now let's calculate. Let's say 98 square. Now 98 is how much less than from 100, as we have taken the base as 100? 2. So we'll write -2 because it's less than 100, right? So 98 then -2, so it will be 96, right? So we calculate the first 2-digit number. Now let's calculate the last digit. Last 2-digit will be, now it will be 2 square. 2 square is 4, but it has to be a 4-digit number, so we'll give 0 in front of that. So the answer is 9604, right? Now okay, again we will calculate one more example. We will do one more example so that you are familiarized with the key concept. Okay, it's very easy, right? Okay, let's say 93 square. So how we are going to calculate? Now first of all, 93 is how much less than from 100? 7. So it will be, the first 2 digits will be 93 minus 7, which is going to be 86. So first two digits we have calculated. Now calculate the last 2 digits. So it will be the key number square, that is 7 square. 7 square is 49, so we have to write 49. So the answer is S649. So that's how. Next, we are going to calculate the squares from 51 to 59. So you have to remember the 3 things. That is, in this case, the base is going to be 50 because these numbers are nearby 50, and the one extra thing is that it has to be a key number 25, and it's going to be a 4-digit number. Okay, so let's calculate 51 square, and I'll tell you what are the uses of these 3 things. Okay, so as we know that this number is going to be a 4-digit number, squares. Okay, so 50. Now 51 is how much from 50? How much greater than 1? Okay, so we will write +1, and for the first 2 digits it will be the key number, which is how much? 25 plus 1, the extra number, which is, like, if you compare with the base 50, 1 greater. So this 25 is your key number, right? And this one is the extra part from counting from 50. So the first 2 digits will be 26. 25 plus 1, 26. Now the last 2 digit is going to be the extra one, which is 1 square, right? 1 square is 1, but it has to be a 4-digit number, so we will give 0, right? So the answer is 2601. Okay, let's continue with some more examples so that we understand very, like, you find it very easy when calculating, doing this squares, and it's going to be very, very easy, and you can calculate within fractions of seconds. Let's say you need to calculate 53 square, so it's going to be a 4-digit number. So what is the key number? 25 plus 53. 53 is how much greater than from 50 plus 3, so we have to add 3 to the 25, so it will be 28. So the first 2 digit is 28, then the last 2 digits is going to be that extra part is square. 3 square is 9, but 4 digit number, so we have to give 0 in front of 9, so the answer is 2809. Hope you understand up to this. Okay, now let's go for some more example. Let's say 58 square. Okay, very quickly, how we are going to calculate? So the answer is 3364. Very, very quickly. How much? Key number 25 plus 58 is how much greater than from 58, so we have to add this 25 plus 8, 33. Now for the last 2 digits, it would be 80 square. 80 square is 64, and that's how we calculate the square. Okay, so hope you like the video. Do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.